What? Holy shit, is everything alright? Like, you get off the side of the road and everything? Okay. Yeah, send me your location and I'll bring you that little kit we were gonna review anyway. And then, I guess we will have a live reviewing of it right now. Okay. Yeah, I'll be there in a minute. Okay, bye. Okay. An odd turn of events today. What's going on, guys? Chaseontwowheels here. A buddy of mine... Hold on. Well, I am not prepared for today. So, a buddy of mine, Luke, the guy that helps film Wreck by Karibo Garage, just called me and said he got a flat tire on his Monster on the way to going to Mountain Motorsports. So, we were going to do a video on things you need to have for a travel kit for your motorcycle. We have a flat tire kit. So supposedly this little flat tire kit is supposed to be everything you need to fix a flat tire. And it seems like we are now going to be putting that into full use. Everything is okay. Luke is not hurt. He was able to get off the road safely. So he's on the side of the road. Luckily, I've got the MT-10 behind me. I'm going to throw that kit in my book bag and I'm going to run up to where he is, get his tire patched, and then I'll roll with him to Mountain to get a new tire put on. Okay, I need to get stuff on. I'm a little flustered right now. All right, I'll see you guys on the bike.
Bro, what the f is that? Oh my god.
Sketchy is what it is, dude.
Dude, there's nothing in it. Is there anything in your tire or is it just like a hole?
So when I pulled up to the light, it was like I was just like sitting level. And I was like, what is going on?
Right.
And I looked back and like nobody honked or anything. It's just like I look back and my tire's flat like it's just every day.
Oh shit, let me get the other camera out. You look so sad just sitting here like, man, f this.
You gotta try to escape quarantine and then
That's what happens.
this is what happens.
That's what happens. Tell us, what are those? I'm sorry. It's a serious moment. I'm only joking with you because you're okay and the bike's okay.
I hope so.
Okay, so please tell us what happened.
So I left the gas station, like I pulled in, got gas, and when I left, my like traction control just lit up like crazy. I'm going in a straight line, you know, on the throttle easy and everything. And so I'm like, something's weird. And I pulled up to the stoplight back there and I was just like checking everything out. And then I look back and my wheel is sitting on the ground.
Oh God.
And so I got a flat tire.
So you weren't going or anything.
So I think I hit something in the gas station parking lot.
Right.
And then like as I was leaving, like that's when it started to lose pressure, and that's why my traction control lit up.
Right.
It was like, this isn't right.
Right.
And then when I was just sitting at the light, I think it just bled out of this hole right here.
Oh,
so that's like $350.
Yeah. What kind of tire do you have?
Super Corsa V2s.
Oh, dude. It takes nothing to do that. So the good news is Luke's okay. The other good news is the bike doesn't seem to be damaged at all. And we were working on a video for you guys about like 50.
How serendipitous that it just works out that I get a flat tire and we have a tire repair kit.
No, so we were doing a video of like things under $50 to have if you ride a lot. So like we've done a lot of videos like that in the past. We've got a tool kit, we've got a tire repair kit. So okay, no, this is good. We're gonna get to use the product like actually here. So I'll show you guys
Field
the tire.
tested a little bit.
Yeah, a little bit too much field testing. So this kit has everything in it. If you have a flat tire, it even has like little CO2 cartridges that will fill the tire back up, supposedly. If this works out today, then we can accurately recommend this. And this is like, you just grab this off RevZilla. We'll have a link in the descriptions. Let's do a giveaway on the Discord, like the Wreck by Karibo Garage Discord, for a little tire kit. This thing's only like 35 bucks. Oh my God, dude, the f***ing hole. Oh
What
shit!
I ran over.
Is there like instructions in there?
Yeah. Agitate the reamer tool back and forth several times to prepare the hole for plugging.
I'm not saying a damn word. All right, so this has turned into Save the Rear Tire Rebuild, sponsored by Wrecked Bike Rebuild Garage, your local motorcycle rebuild show that gives motorcycles away. We're not gonna give this motorcycle away, but we're gonna fix the tires so you can get to Mountain and get a new tire.
Show where we help stranded friends.
Yeah, helping friends together. Wrecked Bike Rebuild Garage. All right, I'm just gonna film you as if we're in the garage and you do something with that. Good luck, buddy. I'm here for you if you need emotional support. My goal is, wait, it comes with a bag?
Yeah, I guess.
Oh, dude, I should have just taken all the shit out and put it in the bag.
Yeah, so you get the reamer tool and you agitate it back and forth several times to prepare the hole for plugging. Coat the reamer tool with rubber solution. You get enough shots of that?
I think so, yeah. All right, coating applied.
Coating applied.
Okay, so now you use the other tool.
Yeah.
And you use the little beef jerky looking things.
Oh, it does look like, it looks like that chicken jerky you had the other day. Insert the tool by hand into the puncture hole to a depth of approximately 1 centimeter. Then twist it 1.5 turns. Withdraw the inserting tool to leave the tire seal inside the hole. That's where you go like that, right? Well, it said it apply a generous amount. Do I just
Oh, you
it
put
on-
more of the glue on?
I guess. Do I put it on like mustard or?
Is this a mustard or mayo situation? I have to ask. Oh, here we go. Oh my god, the action.
You ready?
Yep, go, go, go.
God. Okay. It said 1.5, so I gotta go like that and then pull it, right?
I'm not even wide enough to get that. All right, yes. Oh my god, it worked. Are you f***ing kidding me? Your little f***ing move worked.
Something I don't teach you in school, kids.
I'm not gonna lie. I thought the move was total bullshit and you were gonna f*** it up. I'm not even gonna lie. Oh my god.
Right.
No,
Dude,
no, 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 no. You can't use that. That's not in the kit. You have to use the included, yeah, the knife. There's a knife in there.
Oh, there is? I was gonna use the danger plastic.
Which would also probably
Which would
work
also
just
work.
as
'Cause
good as the
when
knife.
I opened it, I cut myself.
Oh my god. That is a knife, right?
Yeah.
Oh my good god. Now that's a knife.
It's a knife. Good as new. Oh.
Oh, still flat. Okay, so here's the part we're super interested in. This kit supposedly has these little tiny, look at this thing. Oh my good god. CO2 cartridge that somehow this little canister is gonna fill up this tire. Is it one canister per tire or what's the math here?
No clue.
What's the math?
So there's 16-gram CO2 canisters.
Okay.
So we have a completely flat 255/17. Comes with a little CO2 koozie for your fingers.
Oh, because it'll get cold.
Yeah.
I didn't even think about that. That's actually legit.
So I loosened it all the way and nothing happened.
Okay, that's probably
So
not supposed to
I think
happen.
I need to tighten this more. Oh, there we go.
Holy shit! So was that one whole canister?
So that's one whole canister. Oh, what are you doing? Losing pressure, Captain.
Oh no! Get it off.
Okay.
What the hell? Dude, what if it exploded?
It's not gonna, all the gas is gone.
But it's getting close to the tire.
Well, one will get you to a gas station, I think.
Yeah, but you lucked out with this happening like in town.
Yeah.
But what if you're like on the highway? You're on the side of the
I
road.
was up in like Blood Mountain.
Right, and you have to you got miles to a gas station type situation.
Let's see how much one. Does this work?
Everything worked except for the pressure
This
gauge.
didn't come with a kit. I can't use it. So this is canister number 2.
Canister number 2, go. So you're looking at all 3 canisters then?
I guess.
I mean,
Yeah.
that's
all
what
3.
the kit is for.
I'm gonna do this koozie list.
Oh, you're getting ballsy.
I'm it's not gonna touch it.
Yeah, right.
Dude, is it about to storm on us? Flat tire and rain?
So that red valve is just like a release valve or something for the air?
Yeah, so when you connect this, you need to have a valve right here so it doesn't just let it loose. So tighten this down all the way and then you crack this valve open.
Okay, that time it didn't react as much.
Yeah, was because it's at pressure now. So the pressure of the tire is probably getting equal to the pressure that was in the canister.
Right.
So it just kind of like balanced out.
How are we feeling now?
I mean, it's...
Oh, dude.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
I mean,
You were flatty flat.
Yeah, it was like about to pop off the wheel. But I mean, I think 3 would definitely get. I'm scared of this.
Yeah, that's corrosive now, or radioactive.
Yep. I mean, it's not blowing bubbles.
You're right. Oh, gross. Okay, so the kit so far has worked. The tire, as you guys can see, is now inflated. And don't worry, I'm gonna follow you. Mountain's only like right down the road, so luckily we're like super close.
It's right over there.
Yeah, we need to get Mountain before it starts raining on us so that we can get you a new rear tire on. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna get my GoPro on, follow Luke to Mountain to make sure he's all copacetic. Copacetic? Is that?
Sure.
Okay. And then after Mountain, I think we'll do a little Rec Bike Rebuild garage segment about like tires, tire pressure, and give you guys some info, and that way we can give our Rec Bike Rebuild garage people a little bit of added info. So we're gonna do a more in-depth info on tires and stuff like that in the Patreon version of this video. If you guys want to check that out, link down below. You can also win a motorcycle, so you know, like no big deal or anything. We got triple CBR situation going on, so it's Honda Fest.
It is.
And neither of us are on a Honda. You guys drop a like down below to help us push us along to Mountain with good luck. Drop a like down below for the YouTube algorithm. We're gonna get to Mountain on my trusty Yamaha MT-10, who has a totally full tire.
For now.
Tire looks good. Is it helmet on? So you're not full.
Yeah.
All right, let's go get you another tire. I'll follow you. Yeah. Tire plug mission accomplished.
Get me home safe.
You live here now? All right, everybody, we successfully made it to Mountain, and Luke said the tire felt weird, so I want to go see what it felt like to ride on a tire that we just like inflated like that. How did it feel to ride with a patched tire?
It was sketchy.
How did like feel less traction or what?
No, I didn't feel like less traction. It felt like way more. Like there's like rocks all over my seat from where my tire flipped them up when we pulled in the parking lot.
Oh, interesting.
So I don't think you want to go too far on it because it's gonna like eat up the center if you don't fill it up so like it's proper PSI.
Right.
And I could hear it like it was just flat, you know, like it's not fully inflated.
Right. It looks like it like evens out pretty quickly because we only went like 2 blocks and it's already evening out. All right, so you're getting a new tire now. Yay, are you so excited? You're gonna start pulling dank wheelies now? Alrighty guys, a week later and Luke has a new tire on the back. Luke, no filming. No, we're not filming the Patreon thing yet. We're not filming. You can.
Okay.
Inception can be done. How do you like your tire?
So I got a 260 instead of a 255. That's all I had in stock. It leans over like a lot easier, but that's the only other difference. Like it's still a Super Corsa, same brand I had on before. They didn't have to balance it or anything. So I'm really satisfied with it.
Awesome. Yeah. What we are going to be filming now, Luke has the older front tire. That's the original tire that you got with the one that got a hole in it, right? Cool, so we're gonna make some Patreon content like tire, Brian has things written out. Tire bars, pressure, plug patch, tire replacement, stuff like that. We're gonna do all that kind of stuff over on Patreon. So if you guys are interested in learning some more information from Brian, come out from the pole, Brian. If you guys are interested in some more in-depth knowledge, we're gonna be filming the Patreon version of this video over right now. So hopefully you guys enjoyed learning how to do a tire plug. Did we talk about doing a Discord giveaway for a tire plug? Well, we can now.
The answer to that question is yes.
Yes, absolutely. So what we're gonna do is give away a tire plug like we used to save Luke. We're gonna do that. Just the link down below is gonna be to our Discord page, and we'll do that in the maintenance help section. So you guys click down there, join the Discord stuff. The Discord stuff is free, don't worry. And balls. We'll see. Thank you guys for watching the video. Make sure to hit the like button for motorcycle content. I'm Chaseontwowheels. That is Team Wreck by Crew Built Garage, and we will see you guys either over on Patreon or the next video. Oh my God, this arm. Oh, hold on. Interception. All right, we'll see. We'll see you guys on the next one. Bye. Outro crew, have you ever played soccer with a 10-pound ball? Take a shot. Take a shot. Oh no! Oh! Could you imagine trying to juggle that? No, I can't. There is so much expensive. Okay. Expensive things. We're gonna take this. Okay, we're gonna go. Woo! Shit myself a little bit on that one, boys.